Here's an honest look at the Gold Drama app and whether the rewards are real. Gold Drama is a streaming app for short drama content. The interface is clean, categories are well organized, and the shows are easy to watch. As a pure streaming app, it works fine. However, the app also claims you can earn cash rewards by watching content, and this is where things fall apart. Many users report that while points accumulate in the app, actually converting them to real money or withdrawing them is unreliable. Some users say withdrawals never go through, or the requirements keep changing. The company behind the app is not very transparent, and there is very little verifiable evidence of successful cash outs. Bottom line, Gold Drama is a real drama streaming app, but it is not a reliable way to earn money. Watch it for entertainment if you enjoy the content, but do not count on the reward system delivering real payouts. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.